Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and today we are talking all about pricing your t-shirts. With blank apparel costs rising and custom printed t-shirts being a hot product across online marketplaces like Etsy, we've heard tons of conversation around pricing strategy lately and wanted to share a few tips that we've picked up along the way that could help you and your growing t-shirt business. So are you ready? Let's dive right in. If you are new to Transfer Express, we are the world's largest supplier of custom screen printed and digital heat transfers, heat presses, free customizable designs, wholesale apparel, and expert advice to help grow your t-shirt business. If you haven't already, subscribe. We're kicking out new videos like this one every single week. My first suggestion when you are wondering about your own t-shirt pricing is first to do a little research and check with your competition. Now, I don't mean just random t-shirts across the internet, but I mean on Etsy. And go to Etsy and search what you're going to be selling or what you think your customers would search to find your products. So for this example, let's say we want to release some patriotic t-shirts, and so we could just search USA t-shirts or maybe 4th of July t-shirts into the search bar right here in Etsy. Now our search turns up not only some sweet inspiration, but 10, 15, 25, up to 28 bucks here, depending on the style and design. So there is our pricing range. But before we move any further, let's take a look here at some of these lower priced options, because what you see on the search screen is not what you're going to pay. And here we'll just click through, and as you can see, the price listed has a little plus sign here right next to it when we get to the product page, because you'll typically find, yep, right here, a 6-month onesie or the youth size listed as an option with that lowest price. But when you go select an adult size, now we're looking here at real pricing. Look, like an adult XL, $17.59. Here in the mid to high teens, that's much more realistic for a t-shirt here on Etsy. Now, of course, this varies from niche to niche, and some audiences or topics could be more expensive than others. With this specific example being fairly generic with simple artwork for these USA t-shirts, this may be priced lower than other styles of graphic tees. Of course, you yourself can harness that option pricing trick and pack in smaller sizes, youth, baby, or toddler options into your product listing, but some customers may find this misleading. So it's up to you whether you want to try and get them to click with that low price, or if you want to be more honest and upfront about your pricing, option, and sizings, and then split those cheaper apparel options like those onesies or the youth shirts over to their own listing. Of course, with that little Etsy listing fee you'll have to pay. Another option you could use to try to get your customers to click is using a sale to get this little green pricing that you see here on some of these listings. Now, my go-to pricing strategy for selling t-shirts retail or on demand is always cost times 2. So essentially take all of the costs associated with the production of your t-shirt and double it, giving you, in most cases, more than enough profit for your time. So, for example, if we pay $5 for our blank t-shirt and our print costs $1.50 per shirt, that's $6.50 total in cost, which means I would not sell this shirt for less than $13. It's just $6.50 times 2. Which, if we're going to plug this into our research case like we just did for those patriotic tees, we would fit perfectly in the market that we're looking to sell to, with even some wiggle room, maybe to include free shipping if we charged an extra $5 or $6 on top for a retail price of $18 or $19 for the shirt. Offering free shipping is awesome, and you're making a healthy profit. Even if you wanted to do more than cost times 2, in this exact instance, you absolutely could build that extra $5 or $6 in just for profit for yourself. Mentioning free shipping too is a great way to start talking about impulse buys. As any e-commerce pro will tell you, you want to reduce any point of friction when you're trying to close an online sale. So all of those extra steps, clicks, and even added taxes and shipping fees could make your customers pause and reconsider the purchase before they click that checkout button. Now, with everybody and their moms so used to prime shipping on Amazon, simple upfront pricing with shipping included seems to be the way to go for many people. However, Etsy is one of these marketplaces where you could still find exceptions to this rule. The audience here is looking for handmade products from small, sometimes home-based businesses, and understand that the majority of products listed here will have added shipping fees. If you want Amazon, you go to Amazon. If you want to support small businesses, you go to Etsy. Now, we've been working on quite a bit of some Etsy-based videos this year, from best practices to how to ship your shirts, taking product photography or mock-ups, and even trending apparel. So if you're looking for more info for your Etsy store, we'll have all of those new videos linked in the description below. Now, here at Transfer Express, we are dedicated to helping you and your t-shirt business thrive. Of course, if you have tips of your own, let us know in the comments, and be sure you're subscribed here to our Transfer Express YouTube page to stay up to date on all of the t-shirt business tips that we're dropping every single week. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.